Assalamu alaikum guys. Hi everyone, how are you? This is Farooq Khan from UAE Tech Support. Today I want to show you 4 apps for UAE. This application you will know something new, and this application I will show first. One is Dubai Carry for. Number 2 is Shukran Card. Number 3 is Union Coop, and number 4 is Medina Hypermarket. So these 4 application how to use, and how I earn points, and from points I will get money, so that I will show you today. So guys, my first application is Share. So this application was my club from Carry4. So they are not accepting that Carry4 application, so now they changed to Share application. So today I will show you now the Share application. So just double click here. So here you can see, first you have to register on the application for Share. So here you can see every time if you are going to buy from Carrefour, you can scan by from your screenshot. So first I will show you first home service. Here you can see there is some offer, you can see. So the other one also for offer, here you can see. Then just up middle you have to click here. Then here you can see the card. You can add your credit card, so you can buy anytime anywhere. And another that for share point, this is my share point. So you can see here 310 points, so I have earned 31 dirham. So if 50 dirham, I can get that money. So if I when I'm going to buy, so they will deduct from that bill. So here you can see the share ID. Just click here. So this is the share ID. When you are going to buy anything, so before you pay the money, so you have to scan this barcode. Okay, this is the system. So I'll just go back here. So here you can see assistant. Here you can talk to them. You can email. So this is the assistant. And then account, you can see this is the my account. If ever I'm going to buy anything, so they will send it the bill here. So you can there is another thing, you can see submit receipt. So if sometimes if you cannot scan your barcode, so you can just you can submit after, maybe in your home, just submit the receipt. So when if they approve, you will receive message, and then it will be add on your account the point. Okay, so this the what I am buying before long time. So I have 31 dirham. So these are really good apps, and more you can buy from carry for anything you can buy. So this one the apps, I hope you. So guys, my second application is a Shukran Card. So I already installed this application. Just have a click here. The application. So here you can see so here you can see the my card. So my point is 23, and I have earned 1 dirham 15 fils, and this is the card. And there you can see the barcode. This barcode, when you are going to buy anything, so you have to scan of this barcode. So there is some offers. There is some offer, you can see here. If you have a new offer, you will see here. Okay, so which brand you will enjoy this code. So here you can see Splash, Baby Shop, this all the brand, Center Point, Emax, Kylan Jewelers. So all the brands you can make scan of this Shukran card, and this application really good. So here is the my account. So if you want to use the same like me, so you have to go any splash or any brand, then just buy anything and then ask them the membership card. So when I give you the membership card, so you can install on your mobile the application. I will attach on description this application, so please install and enjoy to continue the getting. So guys, my third application is Union Coop. So of course you will know the Union Coop hypermarket. So here you can see I install already the application. So this is the interface of Union Coop application. So here you can see the smart receipt, and then the e-gate, and then shop online, recipe, my card, notification. So if example, if you're buying anything, so if you don't like to get the receipt, just send on your application, they will send it. So here my receipt is not showing because my this application is new. So here you can see my card. This is the card. When you are going to buy anything, you have to scan of this barcode, and then here you can see my name, and the point is 00. So total purchase they will show you here. So and if they have a more new offer, you will get a notification, and you can scan the product also. This application also very good, and here you can see my profile. So guys, number 4 is Al Medina Hypermarket. It is in Russell Khor industrial area. So this one they don't have application, but they have good service. And this one you can see the card, and card just they will scan. Please you register on their shop, their hypermarket, and then continue to saving the points. So this one I already many time I get the money, like if you have 500 points, they will give you 50 dirham. So this for Al Madina Hypermarket.